I'm going to give a shout out to Hayward. They build better, and I want to show you and highlight a product today. This is the Hayward OmniX Gateway. It's a wireless connectivity device that connects equipment like Hayward equipment to a home network using Wi-Fi or Ethernet. I think I'm going to stop by trying Wi-Fi, but ultimately I think I might swap over to Ethernet, okay? Now, my pool equipment is right outside here, okay? So to get started, I'm just going to put it on the windowsill, and eventually I'm going to mount it over on that wall over there behind that chair, because that's where my router is, and I'll use a wire when I do that to get it on the network. But anyway, right now I have an empty box here because I just took all the gear out of it, and I'll show you what it comes with. It comes with a wall plug and a USB connection, USB-C. It's a USB A to C cable. Typically, I find the companies that use A to C cables, they tend to use it because it's a lower voltage or lower wattage. This is the actual gateway itself. Nice clean design. In the bottom, USB-C connection for power, factory reset button, Ethernet port. And on the top here, you'll have a power indicator, your Wi-Fi signal indicator, and this will be your OmniX communication to your Hayward equipment. Now, the reason I'm installing this today and getting it ready is because Hayward is sponsoring this video. They sent me out this gateway, and they sent me out a brand new pool pump to try out. So that's going to be my next install right after that. We have a heat index today of 105, so it's not the best outside. So on this this gear here, we are just going to plug this in, and I'm going to get things ready. It's very simple. And then I was taking a look at the directions, okay? Taking a look at the directions. So that's all it is right there. The only thing, my only comment on the product, okay, is I wish they had put two appropriately sized screws in the package, because not everybody's going to want to, just sit it on the floor. I wanted to mount mine on the wall. Now I have to go hunt for special size screws. But Hayward, as a heads up, maybe in the future you might want to include a couple of screws in here. You could certainly insert them in the foam packaging. And if they're there and I didn't see them, I'm sorry, but there were no screws in this package. So just a thought. Just a thought for you. All right, at this point now, we're actually going to load the application up. So we're going to select, in this case, from the App Store. We're going to press the Get button and then double click. And after facial recognition, it's going to download the app, and then we're going to run the app once it's installed. And now that we're running the app, what we have to do is select Create Account, and then we'll go ahead and we put our information in. Now, some of this you're not going to see for security purposes, but my email address is on my YouTube account anyway, so anybody can really communicate that way. So we're going to set up the account, and then we're going to request a validation code, and Hayward system will send us a validation code so we can actually, made up the account. Now we're going to enter our email and confirm our email. And then at that point, Hayward will send us a verification code so we can make sure that we are associated with the email that we put in. And now a second later, we're going to get our verification code. And we have to enter this. And we just enter the information one more time to validate it. first name, last name, phone number, and your password. And we'll get our code. We've validated the code, and now we're going to set up our site. So click on Create Site, and it's going to be a personal site because we're not a business. And we're going to name the site The Resort, because that's what I call our home, with the pool and everything. And then after this, we are actually going to associate it with a pool or a body of water. And then we're going to enter our address. And we've entered our address. The account's been created. The site's been created. And now we're going to add our pool to the site. And then we have to add the gateway, the Hayward Gateway product. We're adding our equipment. We're adding the gateway, which is we're going to attach to that. And then we are going to turn around and push the button, just like it says, the activate button. And then the software is going to go out and actually find the gateway, set it up on Wi-Fi, as you can see right there. And then just like a little bit later, it's thinking, and then it'll connect up and we'll be all done, and we're ready to go ahead and get our new pump installed. And once the pump is installed, we'll mate it up with this. We'll be able to control it from anywhere over the internet. It just take a little bit longer, just communicating with the gateway and setting it up in the software. Sometimes patience is a virtue with this kind of thing. So it's always best just to, if you think something's hung up, just give it a little bit of time. I can't tell you over the last 40 years how many times you quit something only realizing you just needed a couple of more seconds and everything would have been fine. And here it comes. All right, we're all set up now. And that's all there is to installing the gateway. And now I'll show you a picture of it, how it looks. So now just back to business here to show you for right now. We're connected up. We've got a power indicator and we have a Wi-Fi indicator. And we have a blue Hayward network, OmniX network indicator. Now once I put the pump in, I'll be able to add that device and be able to control it through the phone app that you just saw me install. Now the phone app seemed to have a couple of glitches getting the account set up, but again, that could have been me. So for the benefit of the doubt, I just want to say that I did get it working. It took a couple of tries, but I created an account, named the account, added the pool, and added the OmniX gateway right here. So all in all, it was not a hard install. So shout out to Hayward, sending me the OmniX gateway, and I'm looking forward to getting that pump installed so I can really tie everything together and automate it. Thanks a million.